Nice one, is it?
Yeah, so we're here at Killary sheep farm with Tomas, and he's going to give us a quick demonstration of what he does on a daily basis. Basically, it's sheep herding with some of his famous dogs, some shearing, bit of a demonstration of some turf cutting, and good explanation of what goes on in normal sort of day-to-day Killary life. So take it away there, Tom.
Yeah, we're going to work right on the sheep, and he's going to go left, right, walk, stop and listen. So when I say come by, he goes to the left, away means is to go right, walk means advance, and whistle is to stop.
Lovely stuff.
Right, let's go keep it.
Beautiful location. Again, we're on the Fjord here, which is part of the Killary walk, about a 4-hour circuit. But this is a real highlight that's only been open a couple of years. It's fantastic for all the family, and all the gear is here for you, no matter if it's wet or dry. These sheepdogs, they kind of have it in them, but sometimes it takes a few years for it to get out. They could be 2 or 3 years before they start working.
Come by! Come by! Away! Come by. Away. Look back. Away. 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 Come by.